Hey guys, what is up? I am going to be making a slime video. And this is going to be the unboxing of a Ultimate slime kit that I got for Christmas. Now let's see what we got. We've got some yellow glue, it looks like. Some apple, I actually don't know what this is. Some candy, I actually don't know what this is either. It says do not eat on it though. Strawberry, still do not eat. And chocolate, still do not eat. We also have some orange glue, some white glue. Oh, looks like we have a little more white glue. Oops. Some blue glue, some red glue, some green glue, and looks like brown paste or brown glue, maybe. And we also have this weird lid here. Comment down below if you know what this is. I really don't know what it's for, but once I read the slime book, I probably will. But comment down below what you think it is. We also have these fruit containers. And that one was a lemon. And this one is a kiwi. This one's an orange. And this one is a dragon fruit. My personal favorite is the kiwi. And how you get the centers out is you just push on the top of the fruit like this, and then it'll come out of the ring. Then you just pop the bottom off, put the slime in, pop the bottom back on, then you put it back into the ring, and you got it. Same on every other fruit. This is squeezable, but it's more like cloud stuff than slime ingredients. So I bet this makes cloud slime, but I'm not 100% sure. We also have this instant snow, and it says just add water and watch it erupt. It's amazing. Snow expands 100 times the original size, so we can make our own snow with this. That seems nice. Oh, we have some rainbow beads right here. That's gonna be cool. Ooh, looks like we have some decorations for our slime. That's gonna be cool. It looks like we have some lemons, some kiwis, some watermelon. That looks like banana. Apples, strawberries, grape, that looks like fish. Okay. We have some limes. Yeah, a lot of decorations. We also have some container of borax activator. To make the borax water, simply need to add water to this bottle, leaving a small space at the top. Then shake the bottle lightly until the borax is fully dissolved. Okay. And then we have some of this glow powder. I bet it'll make our slime glow in the dark. You guys may not be able to see this, but this is actually like a neon green. And this is one of the decorations. It's a lemon. Hello. And we have 2 bottles of the borax. Wait, this isn't borax. Looks like this is clear glue. Looks like that's what the top was for. We also have some of this. I don't know what some of it is, or any of it is, but I guess we'll find out. And we also have some small containers for our slime. So now to the process of making the slime. First, you put on your gloves. I like to use these blue plastic ones because those are easy to take off and they're not like you have to clean them or anything, and they're cheap. And these ones come with the slime pack, so you won't have to buy any. But if you want to make some of your own and you want gloves, then you might want to buy some unless it comes with some. If it doesn't, you don't always have to use gloves. I like to. That way I don't have to wash my hands a lot. So now we open the book. It says, what's in my ultimate slime kit? 4 small containers, 4 large containers, 2 measuring cups, 2 white glues, glue, borax, shaving foam, 5 stirring sticks, tool knife set, clay, glow powder, snow powder, mini fruit slices, 6 glitters, chocolate paint. So that's what this is, chocolate paint.
Your next video will have to be how to make it, okay? You don't want it to be too long. So after.
Some videos are like an hour long, and some are like 25. Sorry for the interruption. There's also 5 ink colors, 4 fruit containers, 4 scent flavors, and water beads. That's what those rainbow beads were, water beads. Now, comment down below what you think I should make first. But there's basic slime, cloud slime, jelly bead slime, fluffy colored clay slime, fruit slimes, chocolate slime, glow in the dark slime, colorful scented glitter slimes. So, comment down below what you think. And in my next video, I will show you how to make it. Now remember, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And like the video. One sec, have to take off my gloves. Bye.